Affiliate marketing for beginners. Understanding affiliate marketing basics. Affiliate marketing for beginners involves understanding the fundamental concepts, getting started with the basics, and implementing strategies to achieve success in the affiliate marketing space. Here's a comprehensive discussion on these aspects. Understanding affiliate marketing basics. Definition of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where individuals, known as affiliates, earn commissions for promoting products or services of other companies, merchants. Commissions are typically earned for each sale, click, or lead generated through the affiliate's marketing efforts. Key players in affiliate marketing: merchant or advertiser, the company that owns the product or service. Affiliate, the individual or entity promoting the product or service. Customer, the person who makes a purchase through the affiliate's marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing commission models. 1. Pay per sale, PPS. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale made through their referral. 2. Pay-per-click, PPC. Affiliates earn a commission based on the number of clicks generated. 3. Pay-per-lead, PPL. Affiliates earn a commission for each lead or sign-up referred. The affiliate marketing commission models: pay-per-sale, PPS, pay-per-click, PPC, and pay-per-lead, PPL. Define how affiliates are compensated for their efforts in promoting products or services. Let's delve deeper into each of these models. 1. Pay-per-sale, PPS. In the pay-per-sale, PPS model, affiliates earn a commission for each sale generated through their referral. This is the most common and straightforward commission structure in affiliate marketing. How it works: the affiliate promotes the merchant's products or services, and when a referred customer makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a percentage of the sale as a commission. The commission is typically a fixed percentage of the sale amount. Advantages: PPS is advantageous for merchants because they only pay for actual sales. For affiliates, it can be lucrative, especially if they promote high-value products or services. Considerations: affiliates may find PPS more challenging if the products have a low conversion rate or if the target audience is hesitant to make purchases. 2. Pay-per-click, PPC. In the pay-per-click PPC model, affiliates earn a commission based on the number of clicks generated through their referral links. The commission is not dependent on whether the referred visitor makes a purchase. How it works: affiliates drive traffic to the merchant's website, and they earn a commission for each click on their referral link, regardless of whether the visitor makes a purchase. Advantages: PPC is advantageous for affiliates who can drive high volumes of traffic, even if a smaller percentage of visitors convert into customers. It provides a steady income stream for affiliates. Considerations: merchants should carefully analyze the quality of traffic generated by affiliates to ensure it aligns with their target audience. Low-quality traffic might not lead to desired conversions. Pay-per-lead, PPL. In the pay-per-lead, PPL model, affiliates earn a commission for each lead or sign-up they refer to the merchant. A lead could be a user who signs up for a trial, completes a form, or takes any predefined action. How it works: affiliates focus on encouraging their audience to take specific actions, such as filling out a form or signing up for a newsletter. They earn a commission for each successful lead. Advantages: PPL is advantageous for merchants who are looking to build a customer database or generate leads. It can also be beneficial for affiliates who excel at lead generation. Considerations: affiliates must ensure that the leads they generate meet the merchant's quality criteria. A high quantity of low-quality leads may not be beneficial for the merchant. General considerations for affiliates: understanding the audience. Affiliates need to understand their audience and choose the commission model that aligns with their audience's behavior and preferences. Product or service relevance. The commission model should align with the nature of the promoted products or services. Some products may be better suited for one model over another. Merchant reputation. Affiliates should choose merchants with a good reputation for timely payments and fair commission structures. Diversification. Some affiliates diversify their strategies by incorporating multiple commission models, depending on the products or services they promote. By selecting the most suitable commission model based on the nature of the products, the target audience, and their marketing strategy, affiliates can optimize their earnings and build successful long-term partnerships with merchants. Getting started with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche. Beginners should start by selecting a niche or industry they are interested in or have knowledge about. Choosing a niche helps in targeting a specific audience effectively. 2. Research affiliate programs. Identify reputable affiliate programs within the chosen niche. Consider factors such as commission rates, product quality, and the reputation of the merchant. 3. Create an online presence. Establish a platform for promoting affiliate products. This could be a blog, website, social media profiles, or a YouTube channel. A website is often recommended for long-term success. 4. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for chosen affiliate programs. This involves submitting an application and receiving a unique affiliate tracking ID that helps attribute sales to the affiliate. 5. Generate affiliate links. Affiliates use their unique tracking links provided by the affiliate programs to promote products. These links track the traffic and sales generated through the affiliate's efforts. Fundamental strategies for affiliate marketing. 1. Content creation. Create valuable and relevant content that resonates with the target audience. This can include blog posts, reviews, tutorials, or videos showcasing the benefits of the promoted products. 2. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize content for search engines to increase visibility. This involves using relevant keywords, creating meta tags, and ensuring content is user-friendly. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and use email marketing to nurture leads and promote affiliate products. Providing valuable content in newsletters can help build trust with the audience. 4. Social media promotion. Leverage social media platforms to promote affiliate products. Share engaging content, participate in relevant communities, and use social media ads to reach a broader audience. 5. Understand your audience. Identify the needs and preferences of your target audience. Tailor your content and promotional strategies to address their interests and challenges. 6. Analytics and tracking. Utilize analytics tools to track the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Understand which strategies are most effective and optimize based on data. 7. Compliance and disclosure. Adhere to ethical practices and comply with relevant regulations. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with your audience. 8. Continuous learning. Affiliate marketing is dynamic. Stay updated on industry trends, marketing techniques, and changes in affiliate programs to adapt and improve continually. By grasping these fundamental aspects and implementing strategic approaches, beginners can build a solid foundation in affiliate marketing and increase their chances of success in this competitive but rewarding field. Hey there, Affiliate Mastery Hub fam! If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to show some love. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video, and hit that free subscribe button to get notification when we upload new videos. And hey, to learn more, or get free access to a free training course on becoming a super affiliate marketer, check out the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss it! Thanks for being awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video on affiliate marketing for beginners. Understanding affiliate marketing basics.